point out the various components of the control valve. This is the front face of the control valve, which contains the display screen and the 4 keypad buttons used for programming the system. There are also 4 connections hanging from the left side of the control valve related to the power connector, the salt sensor connector, the leak detector connector, and the ball valve connection. This is the inlet side view of the control valve where raw water enters the valve, as indicated by the directional arrow. This is the side view of the power head. This is the drain line elbow connection, which houses the drain line flow control. This is one of the secure clips that keeps the valve body attached to the bypass valve. There's another clip on the other side of the control valve as well. This is a plug and secure clip that generally should not be removed. If necessary, it could be removed to help obtain a raw water sample. This is the back side of the control valve showing the power head backplate. There are 4 screws that keep the front display cover in place. This is where you'll find the control valve's serial number label. Your system's model number and serial number label will also be found on the back side. Here is another angle of the drain line elbow. This is the inlet raw water and outlet treated water plumbing connections to the system and the secure clips that will keep the plumbing adapters in place. And this is the power cable connection for the power transformer. If one were to remove the bypass valve, the turbine located in the outlet side port of the control valve body is exposed, as seen here. The meter cable works in combination with the turbine. The turbine contains a magnet on either side, and as water passes through, the turbine spins, allowing the control valve to measure the volume of treated water passing through the system. This is the outlet treated water side view of the control valve. The water flows out of the control valve from this side as shown by the arrow. This is another side view of the power head. This area is known as the valve body that houses all the internal components. This is the other secure clip that keeps the valve body attached to the bypass valve. This is the brine line elbow, which contains the brine line flow control. This is where the injector set and screen will be found behind this injector cover. Here's another angle of the power connector and where you'll find the other 3 connectors for the salt sensor, leak detector, and ball valve. This is the other plug-in clip that generally should not be removed, but again, if necessary, could be removed to help obtain a treated water sample. This is another angle of the meter cable that measures the flow of water that passes through the unit. And here we've arrived back to the front face of the control valve, and we have now seen all of the external control valve components.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.